Good, y'all, it's your boy. I have another food review. This right here is the sausage egg scrambled box. I may have messed up the wording of what it exactly is, but you get the gist. You have sausage, you have scrambled egg, you have a hash brown in there, and it looks like it has chipotle sauce. So let me get my trusty fork and let's take a bite of this. Wow. I must say, that's really good. That is quite good. After tax, it comes to like $6.20, but it is definitely worth it. It is my first time trying it. Normally, the sausage farmer's wrap is the go-to, but this might be one to go to as well. I need another bite before I let you guys go. Oh my gosh. But yeah, it is the sausage scrambled egg breakfast box. Hope you enjoyed it. Check it out if you have a Tim Hortons nearby. Stay true, be you, yeet.